everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zersher, and today I'm going to be taking you with me to Madaba, which is in Jordan, and it is a place known for their mosaic making. The place that we went is a place that it was begun as a place that employed people with disabilities and women. And it continues to do that. As a result, DHL, the shipping company, gives them free shipping, donates the shipping, the cost of shipping anything, anywhere in the world. So if you purchase something from them, like, for instance, a mosaic, which is incredibly heavy, they will ship it for free. So my husband and I, much like if you didn't see the video I posted about visiting the Oriental Carpet School, I'll put the link in the upper right-hand corner. But again, we were thinking, we have no interest in mosaics. And, okay, it's a side trip, but really, do we need to do this? But our guide really pushed us to go. He said, we can just stop for, just a few minutes. So we thought, it's right there. We're here. We may as well. And then they tell us all of this about employing people with disabilities and women, and it's teaching a skill and giving them work. And so we went. And the first man that we saw was sitting outside, actually, working on a large round piece that was incredibly intricate. And my thought was, oh my gosh, this takes so much patience, which is exactly what people say to me when they see my hand stitching pieces, my, mixed media, whatever you want to call it, fiber art. They always say, gosh, you must be so patient. And I always think, patient? No, there's no, because it doesn't feel that way to me. So that was sort of funny that it reminded me of that. And they use all the stone that they quarry there around in that area. So they use lapis, that beautiful sort of royal blue is the lapis, and then they use all kinds of other colors and stones. And they, well, you'll see. I'll shoot it. I shot a short video of them working and making this mosaic, which I just had no real appreciation for what went into making a mosaic. And I have to tell you, I left with such a profound respect and love of mosaic that I absolutely did not have when we arrived. It really is an art, and it's a beautiful art, and the way they do it is just incredible. So of course we came away with a mosaic, which I'll show you now. This is hanging in our front hall. So as you open the door, it's actually the first thing you see. And I love it. It just is so beautiful, and it reminds me of Jordan, a country that I really fell in love with. And the people are just amazing as well. I mean, everyone we met was just incredible. So enjoy my little jaunt. It's quite short, and all the other photos that I show are of mosaics that we saw in ruins that have been saved and are still there thousands of years later. So this is a tradition that's been going on in that country for a long, long time, and it's lovely to see the artistry continue. So come along with me, and I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I did. This is so amazing watching him
واحدة معمولة غيرها جوازها
في فيها بالمعرض في
واحدة معمولة غيرها جوازها
فيها بالمعرض في
لوحة هون إذا شافوها بعدين ما عجبوا فيها بالشيء نرجيهم إياها مرة خلاص one of our best artists.
Yeah, wow. Boy, it's a beautiful piece.
Been with us from day one, 13 years.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Very talented.
And he's the one who draws this as well?
Yes.
So he draws it on this...
On the canvas.
It's a kind of... What is it?
This is cotton canvas.
It is cotton? Yeah.
We stretch it on flat board.
Okay.
Okay. And then the artist will draw the image of the mosaic he's going to make. He will see the outlines of the tree. Later on, he will draw the groups of animals that we will have here, camels and ducks. I'll show you the design inside.
Oh, how fabulous.
Okay. And then we collect stones from different parts of Jordan. Also, I'll show it to you all inside. And we start cutting and putting, each individual piece in the right place. Fixing the stone on the canvas using a glue. The glue is made out of water and wheat flour.
Wheat flour? Okay.
Yes. Okay. It's not very strong, and we don't want to use something strong at this point.
Okay.
Now, when he's cutting the stones, he's cutting some of them higher than each other. So if you kindly put your fingers here, feel it. Is it flat or uneven?
It's uneven.
Because this is the back side of the work. Later on, we're going to flip it upside down into a frame. This is going to be a garden table.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So when we finish, we prepare a frame, round frame, metal. We fill the frame with something stronger than the paste glue. We use grout, white cement and water. And we take the canvas and we flip it upside down. During the flipping, I ask 4 of my colleagues to help me, and he will be waiting in that corner doing his prayers, okay? Because the flipping is the most
scary part.
Exactly. حبيبي هاي رائد عندنا شغل صغير بس بدي منك شغله السياره تيجي لهون لانه بيجي باص هلا بس عرف على الشغل. It's written in reversed. By the way, as I said, my name is Anas. This mosaic workshop is under the umbrella of Queen Foundation Community Development Program. It depends on the taste of the artist or the guest who orders the table.
If you have your special logo, he can do it for you. Your name, your photo, he can do it for you.
Make that mistake.
Yes, we did it the first time.